Hi children, this is your social ma'am. Today we are going to see the next part, social and political life. So in this we are going to see the chapter 1, understanding diversity. So before you are going to learn this chapter, understanding diversity, you want to know what is mean by social and political life. So what is mean by social and political life? The term civics had been used before to describe government and government institutions. But now the NCRT has changed this term as social and political life because it has the meaning of social, political, and economic life of a people. So, in this class 6, you are going to learn social and political life 1. Then, the 7th standard, you will learn social and political life 2. In your 8th standard, you will learn social and political life 3. So, in this chapter 1, Understanding Diversity, we are going to see these are all the contents. Introduction about diversity, making friends, what does diversity add to our lives, diversity in India, how do we explain diversity, unity in diversity. See the next slide, children. Introduction about diversity. In this chapter, you will learn that people are different from each other in many ways, including your classrooms. So, what are the ways they may be differ? Yes, they're different based on their regional, different on their cultural, and different religious backgrounds. Refer page number 1 in your textbook. Three children around your age have drawn these figures. See your right side, they had given one box. Draw your image. So, draw your picture and compare. So, as we conclude that drawing style may be differ based on one another. So, these pictures are different. Likewise, each other in your class may differ in terms of the language, cultural backgrounds, and religious rituals. See the next slide. Refer page number 4. Read the story as given under this concept. Samir Ek and Samir Do. Samir Ek, who's studying in the school. Samir Do, who's selling the newspaper. They also come from different religious and cultural backgrounds. While Samir Ek is a Hindu and Samir Do is a Muslim. So, different religious and cultural backgrounds are the aspects of diversity. Notice that Samir A goes to school and Samir Do sells newspaper. Why Samir Do did not have the opportunity to send the school? Because of poverty or poor in need of basic things. So it creates the another problem of inequality. What does mean by inequality? Inequality comes about when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to other persons. Example, still you can see some of them are staying in the roadside or the bus stand. One more example for this inequality, that is caste system. The caste system is the another example of inequality. Our society was divided into different groups depending upon the work did by the people. In olden days, if your parents were potter, you want to become a potter. Yes, nowadays we can have many different types of caste system. This was done by the work did by the people. What does diversity add or lives? It teaches us to live and adjust ourselves in broad society. Diversity makes us tolerant and just. We know to behave with other people belonging to different caste, creed, or culture. For example, you are moving to your friend's house, you are celebrating a lot, and you are eating food, and you are enjoying a lot in their house without considering their background. Diversity in India. India is a country of vast diversity. People speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, and eat various types of food. Many things are same, but the way we do is different. For example, Diwali. See, in this Diwali, you can see the function is same, but the celebration is different from the north and south side. How do we explain diversity? People traveled from one place to another in search of opportunity. Somebody got land or the places to settle. others in search of work to settle. So the people began to change their food, music, religions, became a mix of cultures after the settlement. Similarly, diversity also comes about when people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. Living near the sea is different from living near the mountain. So, historical and geographical factors influence the diversity of a region. For example, Ladakh desert and Kerala surrounded by a sea and hills. Ladakh is a desert in the eastern and was a part of Jammu and Kashmir. Now it is separated as a union territory. Here we can have less agriculture and it does not receive rainfall and it is covered by a snow. Few trees and for drinking water the people depend on the melting snow during summer months. People rearing sheep and goats. These goats produce pasmina wool. It is costly. Used to grow goats, cows, and does. Here we can have many passes to trade, that is like a bridge. And also here we can have high in Muslim populations. See, next one is Kerala. Kerala is a state in the southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by the sea and the hills. Pepper, cloves, and cardamoms are grown. It is an attractive place for traders. Jewish and Arab traders came at first. People believe that Saint Thomas have come here and brought Christianity to India. The Portuguese discovered the sea route to India from Europe when Vasco da Gama landed with his ship here. The people have used the same model of China fishing net called Chinawala. In this Ladakh and Kerala, we are going to understand that both places are differed in their geographical features, but both regions were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. They produced wool and here spices. So, history and geography are often tied with this cultural life. Unity in diversity. When British ruled India, women and men from different cultural, religious, and regional backgrounds came together to oppose them. It shows that unity in diversity. Remember our freedom fighters. So, unity in diversity, described by Jawaharlal Nehru in his book The Discovery of India. Indian unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, and every variety acknowledged. That is our diversity, and even encouraged. India's national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, is another expression of the unity of India. So, what does mean by diversity? The sense of variety that exists in the traits, looks, behavior, culture, religion, language, abilities, resources, and opportunities related to different people is said to be diversity. Learn yourself and improve your knowledge. Find out the story of the Indian flag. What do you know about Jawaharlal Nehru? Remember the story Unity is Strength. Find out Ladakh and Kerala in India political map. Check your listening skill. How our India is diverse. Das produce Pashmina wool. Kerala is famous for growing das. Discovery of India was written by das. Define inequality. Thank you, children.